ELEGOO Mars UV Photocuring LCD 3D printer with 3.5 Smart Touch Color Screen Offline Print 4.72L, x 2.68W, x 6.1H, Printing Size Black version. Fast Slicing Software? ELEGOO Mars comes with the latest version of CHITUBOX Slicing Software, which gives you extraordinary user experience. CHITUBOX takes only 1 minute to slice 30 MB STL model files, while the open-sourced slicing software would take up to 10 minutes. Resin saving and better printing? CHITUBOX allows you to hollow out your model before slicing, which could save your resin dramatically during photocuring process. Equipped with 40 West UV lights and using ELEGOO resin, you can get a better printing result. Smart and convenient? 3.5-inch color touchscreen equipped with the latest ELEGOO CHITUBOX 5.0 system makes it very easy for offline printing. The build platform with steel ball balancing structure inside allows you to start printing within 5 minutes after assembly. High precision and resolution? ELEGOO Mars uses a 2560x1442K HD masking LCDs to provide accurate printing with XY-axis resolution of 0.00185 inches/0.047 mm. Warranty and service? We provide total 1-year machine warranty, 5.5-inch 2K LCD and FEP film excluded, and if you have any questions regarding product operation or software, please feel free to contact us.